Henrietta Lacks was born in Virginia and worked as a tobacco farmer, later moving her family to Baltimore for a better life. Henrietta had been feeling pain, and after her fifth child was born, she went to the hospital to find out the reason for the pain. She was diagnosed with cervical cancer. Upon examination, Dr. Howard Jones discovered a large malignant tumor on her cervix. At the time, the Johns Hopkins Hospital was one of only a few hospitals to treat poor African Americans. Henrietta was told of the cancer, and without her knowledge and consent, a sample of her tissues were taken and later passed to George Otto Gay, a cancer and virus researcher. Lacks would die a horrible death a short time later at the age of 31, her body ravaged by those rapidly spreading cancer cells. Her cells turned out to be something never seen before. They doubled every 20 to 25 hours, reproducing indefinitely, nicknamed HeLa cells, for the first two letters of her first and last name. It was a breakthrough in medicine because cells were never known to live outside the body like the HeLa cells did. These cells from a black woman would revolutionize modern medicine. The HeLa cell has contributed to many medical breakthroughs, from the development of the polio vaccine to the study of leukemia and other cancers, the AIDS virus, the effects of zero gravity in outer space, and the effects of radioactivity. All these health milestones and many more owe everything to the life of Henrietta Lacks. Millions of lives have benefited and have been saved because of her cells. The Lacks family was not made aware of their mother's cells until 1975, almost 25 years after she had died. HeLa cells were the first human biological materials ever bought and sold, which helped launch a multi-billion-dollar industry. When Henrietta's children found out that people were selling vials of their mother's cells and that the family didn't get any of the resulting money, they got very angry. Henrietta's family had lived in poverty most of their lives, and many of them couldn't afford health insurance. So the family launched a campaign to get some of what they felt they were owed financially. They were told the statute of limitations for malpractice had expired. Meanwhile, billions of dollars have been made off the cells of their mother. In 2013, the National Institute of Health announced that 2 members of the Lacks family would sit on the panel that would control access to the HeLa cells. However, the agreement did not include financial compensation for Lacks' descendants. Her family also never received any money from the bestseller book, The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks, written by Rebecca Skloot with the help of Deborah Lacks, a daughter of Henrietta Lacks who passed in 2009, or the HBO movie on Henrietta's life, both of which have profited. A building expected to open in 2022 on Johns Hopkins University East Baltimore campus will be named for Henrietta Lacks, whose cells were taken without her consent and widely used in revolutionary research. In 2010, a headstone for Henrietta's unmarked grave was donated. The headstone of Henrietta Lacks is shaped like a book and contains these words: Henrietta Lacks, born August 1st, 1920, died October 4th, 1951. In loving memory of a phenomenal woman, wife, and mother who touched the lives of many, here lies Henrietta Lacks, HeLa. Her immortal cells will continue to help mankind forever. Eternal love and admiration from your family. Henrietta Lacks died in 1951, and in a very tangible way, she still lives on today. Henrietta Lacks, DNA of the Gods.